Hello everyone. In this video you are going to learn about string manipulation using built-in string functions in Tableau. So first I will drag customer name into a row shelf and add all numbers. So now we are going to learn how to split this customer full name to first name and last name using a split function in Tableau. So first I will create a calculated field and I will name this field as a first name because I am going to extract only first name from the customer name. Okay, so using split function, so I will use a split function which will returns a substring from a string as determined by the delimiter, extracting the characters from the beginning of the string or end of the string. So I will give the string as this customer name field name. Okay, so customer name comma, I will give the delimiter as a space. So there is a space between this first name and last name, so I have given the delimiter as a space comma, and I will give the token number as 1 because from the beginning I want to get the first name in the customer full name. So if I want to get this last name, I need to give here as a token number as -1. Then click on OK and drag this field first name into the row shelf. So you can see these are all the first name in the customer full name, Aaron and Adam. So Alan. So this is how to extract the first name from the customer's full name. So similarly, to extract last name from this customer name, you just simply name it as last name, and I will use a split function. So string is, I will give the field name customer name comma, delimiter is a space. So from the end I want to extract this last name, so I will give it -1. So this is going to return the last name from customer full name. So click on OK and I will drag this last name field in the row shelf. So you can see this is the first name and this is last name. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.